Delicious, delicious, delicious. Look at this colorful meal that I made. You know, it is really good. This is scrumptious and beautiful and tasty. And I can't think of any other words to use, but my stomach is rumbling as I do this voice over here. So it is sweet yams with vegetables, and this is chicken breast. Look at this chicken breast. They look so juicy and good. Don't worry, I am gonna give you the recipe. Let us do it together. So we get our sweet yams. This is the American like sweet potatoes. We call the sweet yam. We call it the yams. We usually use it a lot on Thanksgiving where we make the candied yams. So yes, we can use it in this fashion as well. Yes, guys. So get all your yams cut up whichever way you want to. Then get whatever vegetables you want out of your refrigerator. You know what, guys? This would be a great time to use whatever it is that you have in your refrigerator. Whatever root vegetables, whatever other kind of vegetables, just cut them up, okay? If you have Idaho potato, the Irish potato, use that as well, okay? So you can use as much or as little of whichever ones you want. I'm cutting up the carrots. I cut up the celery. I also have some bell peppers as well, which I'm about to cut up. So while I'm cutting up the bell peppers, I'm just gonna take a minute just to welcome you guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy. If you're new here, feel free, you are welcome. Okay, don't forget, drop me a comment. Let me know what is your favorite one pot meal. Also, if you want me to make a specific meal, go ahead and tell me, ask me some kind of question whatsoever. I would love to answer, to hear from you guys. Okay, so now I'm cutting up the red onions. All right, so you can use your onions. I cut it up in bite-sized pieces. I also cut up the bell peppers in bite-sized pieces as well. So I'm showing you guys I finished prepping. So yes, I went and I changed, and now I am wearing a nice little number. I said let me just get a little fancy for you guys. How about it? So we clean as we go. So I have all my vegetables prepped. I had my chicken already prepped there. So yeah, we're gonna put it in a pan. I'm using a aluminum disposable pan because, guys, I don't want to have to be washing dishes after, I don't want to have to be doing that. So the pan, I can always dispose of it. So I put some olive oil, some extra virgin olive oil. Yes, I mix up the vegetables. Then I had some garlic and ginger grated. I add that in it. I add some crushed red peppers, and I'm adding a little bit of salt, okay? So listen, guys, with the salt, go easy on the salt. We can always add salt after, all right? If you put too much, you're gonna mess up the dish, all right? So then we're gonna mix it up. Get right into it, guys. Get your hands in there and go ahead and mix it up. So now we had our chicken breast that has already been marinating, okay? So all you have to do, whatever kind of chicken you have, if you have the leg, the whole chicken, season it to your liking. Yes, season it to your liking. Get in that. And then we are gonna put it on top of all the vegetables that we have, because when that is cooking, all the beautiful juices are gonna sip down in it. And you know what's gonna happen? We're gonna have some beautiful, sweet, nice, like get the gravy from the chicken. Everything is gonna marinate really nicely. Now put it in your oven, and don't do like me and forget to set your oven. Set it before, all right? So now we have some time to play with. So we are gonna have a cup of tea. How about that? We must always find time to have a little bit of me time. So I'm using some cinnamon sticks. I'm using some moringa, and I have this bush from Grenada, and it's called Santa Maria. Yes, that's what it's called. It's called Santa Maria. Sorry about that, guys. And then I put it in this cup to sip with the hot water. So now I have my cup of tea, and I'm gonna go to the favorite part of my house and sit down, read a book. Take a moment to take a moment for yourself, guys. All right, you know, I'm so excited about doing this voiceover with you guys. So that's my favorite part. So I sat there and I drank my tea. I even read my book. I read a Bible and, you know, just look at a little something on the TV and just, you know, enjoy yourself. Enjoy your company. Yes, enjoy your company. So we're going to get up in a few minutes and we are going to go and take a little peek of that. Yes, look at it in the oven. We're taking a little peek. Everything is going well. Just, you know, every now and again take a little peek, make sure that your food is doing what it's supposed to do in the oven. So now, you know, a bright idea come in my head and it says, Cindy, how about we make a nice little sauce for that chicken breast? Because, you know, sometimes people say chicken breasts are a little bit on the dry side. So I said, you know what, let me get some olive oil. I put some olive oil, I put some teriyaki sauce, I also put some hoisin sauce, a little bit of brown sugar, then I had a little bit of jok seasoning. Yes, I put a little bit of jok seasoning in there as well. And then I also had some that's ginger and garlic. Yes, I grate it. Those are the fresh one I grate, and I'm gonna add it into it. I also added some butter and some ketchup. You didn't get to see that, but you know what, I got you. I'm gonna tell you everything. Then I add some crushed red pepper because I want that little bit of heat. And yes, guys, that's it. Just let it cook down. The garlic cook down a little bit. You can taste it to make sure that it's doing what it's supposed to do. Then I took the chicken breast out of the vegetables and I just bathe them with the sauce. Yes, look at that. Look at me drizzling all the sauce upon that chicken breast. Yes, guys. Yes. And now we are gonna plate it and we are gonna have a bowl. So take off a chicken breast. That's what I did, and then I cut it up into pieces. You see the amount that is there? We can also meal prep for next day or other things like that. Okay, we can have lunch, we can have next day food. And now I'm gonna look at that. That is so good. Yes. Do you know how good the sweet yams is for you? Yes, it's really, really good. Look up the nutritional facts. It's really good for you. Then I put a little bit of greens on the side. You don't have to, because remember we have vegetables. Then I top it all up with the cut chicken breast. Yes, those were so juicy and yummy, guys. Now, guys, there we go. I am gonna enjoy that. Let me take my first bite. Yes, look at it. And look at me. Anyway, guys, as I'm eating, and that is so good as it's going down in my tummy, don't forget to like my page. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment. Let me know what is your favorite part of this meal. Which one? Can you see yourself recreating this meal? Okay? Can you see yourself recreating this meal? This is so good. It was so good. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Don't forget, leave me a comment. Let me know what was your favorite part. Love you guys. Bye bye.